I love that. I love that. And everybody should know. Everybody. I had mentioned I filmed something earlier. When you're at the Panera Bread, if they have like that community board, or I haven't seen that at a Panera in a minute, but anywhere you go, there's a community board, which they're kind of getting away from those, I guess, from people putting stuff out. But if you see one, I would put my information there too. Number 4, and this is where we're going to make our big announcement too. Develop a professional website. Create a clean, user-friendly website, showcasing your services, credentials, like those little badges you get from the NNA, that you're a notary signing agent, that you have. It's a couple from the NNA, notary signing agent, and what's the other one? It might just be an NNA one. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But any kind of badges you have, you could put that. And all of that's going to help you when it comes to websites. So for a long time, we just had landing pages. We used the Google landing page, so that went away. And we knew it was going away. So after that, all 3 of us here at Notary Educators, we actually got websites. So websites can boost your SEO, because I know my business increased having a real website. And I'll let Angela speak to her having a website versus just having that landing page through Google. So mine is through GoDaddy. So we are so pleased to announce that we are actually rolling out website plus marketing packages. So while you are here right now, you have any questions, we're live. I want you to go to the website, Notary Educators, and click on marketing plus the templates and look at everything. And if you are needing help with building your website because you're scared, just don't know how to do it, let us handle that for you. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmi. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. We are the most reasonable in the market. I've done all of my market research and pricing, so I know we can get it accomplished for you. I'll just go over a couple of the packages and we'll get back to the tips. And when you look at it and ask me any questions you want to know, okay? So like the startup package, the startup package has 1 landing page, a business card, 2 social media posts, 2 revisions, 1 notary resume, and a bonus marketing tip sheet. And that's all based on your specific business. It's not a generic template. Now, we do have some templates now that we place, but these packages are built around your business. So while you're learning the business in our mentorship program, which is only $47, we'll come back to that. On the back end, we'll be building out your business for you. So then we have the advanced package, and that's going to be 3 website landing pages, 2 business cards, 5 social media posts, 2 revisions, a notary resume, and then a notary resume, a postcard, and a bonus marketing tip. And then the Mac Daddy is going to be the exclusive package, okay? And in the exclusive package, you get 5 landing pages, 2 basic business cards, 10 social media posts, 2 revisions, 1 notary resume, 1 postcard, 1 digital email signature, and a bonus tip sheet. So these are some really nice packages. It took us a minute to put it together, and I am just pleased. And the person that we're working with is super nice, super cool. She's someone else that she's camera shy, so she won't be joining us on camera. However, she is working on the back end, again, helping people to build out their website. So you have all of these packages. So just kind of see where you fit in. There is actually the payment plan option there, Afterpay, and then Klarna. So you're able to make payments on it if you can't afford it all at once. So that's also nice, because you may not have all of the money at once, and you do need these things in order to get your business going, in order to have like we always say, a professional finish. Okay, we don't want to be a dry piece of toast in the business. We actually want to be like an edible arrangement where everyone wants to do business with us. And they're going to push the website button if you have one. If you don't have anything there, they're going to still call you. But hey, Tamiko, what's going on? So that's the marketing website plus marketing packages. So check them out while you're here live right now. Let me know what you think about them. Angela, can you do number 5 for us, right?
Sure. And also, what helps with your marketing is flyers and business cards. Again, make sure you have business cards. I actually did a notary today, earlier today, and the gentleman used his neighbors for witnesses, the couple. And as I was explaining the documents to the person and, telling them what I needed, asking my questions, and she like kind of interrupted a little bit. She's like, "Do you have a business card?" And so it's important to have a business card wherever you go. Have a little pouch in your pocket, business card holder in your purse or in your wallet, and make sure that you have them with you because you would never know where you can leave it. Again, I'm at the gas station and I'm leaving business cards, and so also professional business cards. You can do them on, like the services that are offered here. If you want to use notary educators to do them, or you can do them yourself and some of the self provided business cards in a different um, Vista print or something like that. But however you choose to do them, make sure you have business cards. Uh, Coffee shops, a lot of coffee shops do have boards. A lot of coffee shops have boards. When you go to the library, community centers, again, local businesses, you can leave flyers at local businesses. You can leave flyers at the library, coffee shops. When you're doing business like buying coffee and things, a lot of places will allow you to leave a small flyer or a business card on their board, like Kim mentioned earlier. But just make sure things are professional, they look nice, and they're attractive, so people, they can be eye catching.
Right. And that's one thing about having us work with you to build your website because we are notaries. We know what works, what sells. You can get a generic person to build it on Fiverr or something like that, but they're not going to know exactly what we do, what's going to catch the people's attention, what verbiage you need for SEO, search engine optimization. So we are the experts in running businesses and we're going to help you to get yours started. I'm going to say hey to a couple people. We have April, Donna, and Marcel. What's up, ladies? Welcome. So, in addition to that, Angela was talking about the business cards. We actually created a few templates too under this marketing tab. So, you can look at those. A couple packages are there. So, you can check that out. There's an actual notary resume there also. So, you can look at that. It's already kind of pre plugged with some of the main things that you may need to talk about and in representing your business. So, we're really trying to help you to be for us to be one stop for you now with training plus the marketing piece. It's just going to really help get some of these businesses going because a lot of you, somebody put in the chat the other day, they've been watching us for 3 years, and I was like, wow. And they did join the mentorship program recently, and it touched me that one, they've been watching us that long, but it was a little painful because I'm like, do you know how much you could have been accomplished in your business within 3 years? I know life happens. It happened to me during the time I've been live on YouTube. Since I've been as a YouTuber, I've had a lot of deaths and a lot of life to happen. But all that being said, I still had to eat. I still had to run my business. You know. So yeah, we're glad though that you guys trust us. So number 6 on our list is partner with online directories. So there are a few listed here. SnapDocs is my favorite. Signingorder.com is my favorite. Also, the NNA Find a Notary. I did renew that because I did receive about 5 jobs from them last year. So Find a Notary is $99 per year. That's the only one that has general notary work. Findanotary.com, and that's through the NNA. And again, I received about 5 jobs with them. So I would say yes, if you are in a different level in your business, you have a little disposable income to pay for a site, that is one that I would invest in because they're constantly building that site out with SEO and getting people to getting the word out that they're offering general notary services. So that would be one for you to definitely look for. SnapDocs is free. Signingorder.com, you can pay the $2.99. And we had a couple people in our group mentor program. The moment they paid that $2.99, the following week they started getting jobs. So when you pay that $2.99, it really does escalate you. Now the point is you want to be ready when you get escalated,
Right.
when you get put up to the top, because if you taking jobs and you're not prepared, you will not work again. Okay. And
Mhm.
that's not just trying to scare you. That's facts.